Yamin Petria Mokamati, Yali near Dona Chemo, Monimo Mamua. Ah? Mua Tissamon, Penufoma Timmy Jamagini. Ah? Demoya Gana for ye.
Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me adwoa searching ebusuafo mesre mo na mo subscribe to our channel me notification bell no so for more news Ghana for no mo de mo issue just omo abro his excellency John Dramani Mahama bia omo say enough is enough adenti e na Ghana next year yekunya 70 years na kolebu hospital kese enti se wo kolebu just what transfer nipa ko ho anyame anya adoma no owu just emergency kese pa no mu du ho mu nya mpa na just say nipa no owu omo abododua
Asiafo mu nso nyansa enye se na na mode o man gyae na tie ha yiri so pa obo se hu se nsuo because wo kra wo konso no usuro na wo konso nsuo nyine timi dware mo nhwe susu eda kumase mo nhwe anwaraga jansi susu eda ho subin mo nhwe na ahemfo tete ho empanyimfo tete ho na de bia mo de ka nam so koba nwan kwasiafo empanyimfo tete mo nhwe de nsuo nani aye mo fam ho niu mo be bransa na mo Ghana empanyimfo mo be bre o hawa kese na betoto mo ansa na mo mawu o man na mo de pem ho na mo nhwe o man mo fin say o man da ho saa e na mo de pem ho kwasiafo tete mo na nka mo na mo ye ne sanka mbetoi muna na mo ye ne sanka mbetoi ahemfo bo de wa hinni na wo ye me se be kakra be dwane o na mrum bo de mo nyimi saa me kan okra kire mo me say ebe kakra politicians asofo ahemfo me say me ye this year no ebe kakra be gem nsem mo de mo pa mo fansa ba bi nso nka
na ena no ekua Belinda Maysbel ebe so camera si no so esuin ne ya sapon ne senya ne anti omde no kokolebu a omo anya bed amfana antoso nti wa free nti obesuin Ghana food trouble na ade me I didn't want to talk about it because in some say na ya na yemebufu Maysbel su na obesuin no wo sun mu no wo kire se wo wani fi si say wo 43 wo say 45 wo ko 50 years de bia kolebu mpe ni ho e na Maysbel what to wa akra nti ekua Belinda anka wo anti ewu a ka wo ni all these years na mpe ni kolebu no anka wo beka utimi ekogina NDC campaign platform so ebuo mu abi 16 years na wo campaign di ma NDC impana eni kolebu anasa impana yenye ina for hospitals nye fa ni nengu his excellency John Dramani Mahama nesu no because NPP aba eko NDC aba eko but ye be blame his excellency John Dramani Mahama because ono wa be president akwa asanso aba and say ye manana do akonya bio no sanso ba anko be hu say manye niama we ye ntimi me ye ni ye I believe that but John Dramani Mahama his excellency wa be president o 2016 year to no wa so about 2024 in pain still only kolebu ko 2 years na Maysbel untimi megina bontin kan wanti enwu anka wo meka anka next 4 years and as 2026 say 8 and 2028 ye baba ya abato ye baba to abanka so ba so campaign a won kan pa ho asem na de kan we de wo baba kan aba be su wa be kan be bold point his excellency John Dramani Mahama tell him say we don't have bets offense at Kolebu and to not provide the bets now enough is enough we are in this country 70 years health one semi ye penny bia ho dadwen na ntimpanifo mo yaye wode mo kwa brochiri kwa samo yare no mo kwa na mo nya mpa nda so anka mo bakọ ye wo mayi mu mo fa citizens no nya bi na se bi mo de ya ta ekwan ye nam so enye ekwan timi se ya na nsuta na che se ekwan ya block nti we wie bi na wani ukwan ya block because nsu atonti na se wunti ni nkokoro kwa ya de se wo ye Ghana fo mpanifo aden mo de mo yi gates na mo ntwa so saa na ye ntina mu saa da hospitals in so a beds in the Ghana hanom no samsi wa be kan say oba Ghana na mpa Kolebu hospital beds ni ho ne anti yare omde no call no beds ni wo omde no call hospital kasim government hospital because no mu osika enti mo pese mo ka chen ze Ghana ha no me no inde wu ni sika na wo hiani a wo yare a wo bewu ukokolebu omo amugu omo ni pada so awerewo achichi omo ehro mo ade se because of empa ebi obu ahode nko akobenya nkwa but impenti omo hro mo ade se a egu hori na ya hianfo se bi omo ni bi enti ne Ghana ha no se wo yare a wo sika nkwa de ahobeto because betimi akọ private hospital wo betimi afford empa enti se wo ntimi afford there you have to die. Ghana kwenya 70 years. Yakasa abresa inti impenifo no mpese bibisa mo se amembu no edin sa. Eh. Ha. Ghana kitikiti Ghana kuro kitikiti ze misem. Ghana US state baako eso sen Ghana US state baako wo wuche ni mienu a ene Ghana na ye pe Ghana te se misem kitikiti wuntimi penni bia betina so first thing say ba ni so okwa besia John Dramani Mahama wa baso ko 2 years wa bobesia niente there over 50 something million US dollars untimi nya bibia besia na den na John Dramani Mahama his excellency wa bono de aye penni bia wato abama na oba so first thing ba ni me say me ko bobesia inti Ghana ha no minti resources bebre ba ye won ye niam amode kwa amano ne kotonwe untimi fa bi ntu adwuma ye foka ntimi fa bi nya kwan
almost stories beyond person me bia against Jomama and NDC bia no but edru say sabita frache yeah unim say Accra FM class media I contact marketing for contacting some companies buying institutions government institutions are omo to meet advert omo ma Accra FM omo ma obia yes okay so this is my news gh.com. John Mahama is the kingpin of corruption. Kofi Tonto hits back. 13th September 2024. Yes. In the heat of a campaign. No? So this is the platform. John Mahama is the kingpin of corruption. Okay. July 1st, 2026. Where the Kofi Tonto Baumia spokesperson. Where 1st July last week okay. Mahama begged for votes on the street but flew over flood victims. Awa Muhammad, another Baumia, a boy. Right? Okay. June 8th, 2026. Mahama is a weak leader. Miracles Abuaji fumes. Wait, because of my time, me and Sapena, my phone. And we are say even the articles that Yenya Steven Zori no said that Trafa John Mahama. Accra FM enko government institution bia momo emma advert da Accra FM ne class FM report Accra FM reporters kra no omo mpese obeben baby omo yeah NDC appointees mpese obeben baby omo kra me nya reporter me member o me hwe to be honest with you NDC in office Senye Sami Jemfia Kando are like my main friends. They are my friends, my personal friends. Even Chief of Staff for Yemi Papa Krano, the office me once in my lifetime. Once. Me yeshi because me mama hire me she into me yeshi. Sami Jemfi, I have that. Your friend is a me lawyer, Eduji any day, anytime. We talk on phone. Eduji office once, but on phone every day, constantly. Meaning me and the dim come say obi ni nebusua penny no. Every day we are talking. Ye di bibia on come food, everything. Yeah. Come on, do you come there? Always. There's nowhere do you be whom call. You know, you will not get back to me. But me reporters are framing that. And maybe there was a program at presidency. It took me more than 1 hour to get my reporters in. Yes, Oma for Crofui ni Oma Namfufui ena my reporters na kechiri. Ufrewe ya. Oh sir, mehe. Tell ya who cry all more time. Presidency ya. So, but that is okay. Yeah, that is okay. Inti why yes or yes stories for your mama one near Fred say Kopepa atachano ya to about your mama no. Na dia no aye stories no. If a contractor near their man. $400,000 Ghana. Scabadenyesko. No. Mimi nibi. But 400,000 Ghana. Enyeska mame. Indinyasa mepe. Mempe. 400,000 Ghana. Minibi. Meti we are saying minimum say minibi. But sabe men kwasre 400,000 Ghana. Minibi. But men ko nantin kwasre. Enti here no mopa monsa nyanka ho. But the fact of the matter is that people say come now, are you sure the audit report is not expenditures for the year 2024? Your 2026 was it 2025 was it 2024? Meaning when you 2024 the about 2025 2025 the about 2026. This is simple. I mean they say we here obia obe and what so say from March 2025 to December 2025. Somebody called me from NLA this morning that the guy no ye NLA a CEO ni kromuni. I don't know. But enya bone say media platform bia under government. I think it's good. Even if a platform here anti NDC crano or also here to build himself up. But you see, yeah, now so Uncroft when Uncroft bua no akai wo mo obeka so me di 4 years I continue the BNC. Well, sir, udi wi a unyanwu yo ya no nyina na te Ghana nti udi wi a udi 4 years ni wi a unwie ena uwie so na nyanwu ya microphone yantumu na sɛde amanfo besi atwe ase wa bra a wotifie no ye no e na problem no wono ave de akofo no osu sɛ MPP obi amfa no nya hwe ye mu no ya mu because ukura power no jimi no a ojimi ye no a no obi e ka che sɛ kofo wu jimi na jai no a ufu sɛ na power cross at time no ntino nti ase no. Yes, now you are faced with the reality. It is a encrofo omoboa wo na so I don't care about them. Me busia for me encrofo me kromfo yo. So this guy is at NLA. Inti obe feed platform no sa ebedu 2028 no near baba be frɛ say wow ekwam de ono brana ane de ono wadi de ame no emfankosi ani. And I make 400,000. I don't need me nibi, but I don't need it. And it's fine. That Felix Kwacho for Sukai, yes, I reset na enka bibia. So at least MPP timer, it won't happen. No, MPP they won't do this stupid stuff. yes, omo ye NDC for no be so papa.